Hello, I'm Blaze. We will learn about the nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle is the biogeochemical cycle by which nitrogen is converted into multiple chemical forms as it circulates among atmosphere, terrestrial, and marine ecosystems. The conversion of nitrogen can be carried out through both biological and physical processes. The majority of Earth's atmosphere is about 78% of its nitrogen, making it the largest source of nitrogen. Important processes in the nitrogen cycle include fixation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. Like in biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes, that hero, Silver, the hedgehog talked about it, the foods get decomposed. So, let's start with nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is a process by which molecular nitrogen in the air is converted into ammonia, NH3, or related nitrogenous compounds in soil. There can be two types. One is biological, when atmospheric nitrogen is converted to ammonia by a nitrogenase enzyme. Note that the reaction is nitrogen plus 16 adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, plus 8 negative charged electron, plus 8 positive hydrogen ion, reacts to form 2 ammonia plus hydrogen plus 16 adenosine diphosphate, or ADP, plus 16 phosphorus. Like with the relation of chemistry, viewers can discuss with Amy Rose. Now, other is the non-biological. Nitrogen can be fixed by lightning that converts nitrogen and oxygen into nitrogen oxides, NOx. It reacts with water to make nitric acid, which seeps into the soil to form nitrates, which is of use to plants. Next, we will talk about ammonification. When a plant or animal dies or an animal expels waste, the initial form of nitrogen is organic. Bacteria or fungi convert the organic nitrogen within the remains back into ammonium, or NH4+, a process called ammonification or mineralization. They involve cytosolic, ferredoxin, and glue dehydrogenase. Next, we will talk about nitrification. Nitrification is the biological oxidation of ammonia to nitrite followed by the oxidation of the nitrite to nitrate. The transformation of ammonia to nitrite is usually the rate-limiting step of nitrification. You actually know that plants make food, but animals can consume. For example, 2 nitrite plus oxygen gives 2 nitrate. This type of reaction is called nitrobacter. Typically it's chemamics, complete ammonia oxidizer. And finally, denitrification. Denitrification is a microbially facilitated process where nitrate, NO3, is reduced and ultimately produces molecular nitrogen, N2, through a series of intermediate gaseous nitrogen oxide products. For example, net balanced redox reaction, where nitrate gets fully reduced to dinitrogen. 2 nitrate plus 10 electrons, plus 12 hydrogen, denitrifies into dinitrogen and water. So, you know how the nitrogen cycle works. One thing, I'll have to discuss with her. Hello Amy?
Hi. How can I help you?
Do you know about use of nitrogen?
Yeah, I know its use. Its atomic number is 7 by the way. It can be used in producing ammonia.
I know, Amy. Did you notice how the nitrogen cycle works?
Well, let's have a look in this picture.
Okay.
I'd like to make a question of any. Why does the lightning strike occur?
This is because of non-biological process of nitrogen fixation.
Another question. How does convert nitrite into nitrates?
By the process of nitrification, adds oxygen.
And why do plants make their food and animals consume?
By the process of photosynthesis during sunlight, and animals are herbivorous, like you see rabbit can eat something.
Okay, this was just a demo about nitrogen, right? So, thanks for asking me.
Thank you very much. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.